Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. In our today's English class, we will be doing literature poem The Tree in Season. Now, this poem is written by Robert Fisher. Now, in this poem, the tree is expressing its feelings throughout the season. The poet is expressing the feelings of the tree throughout the season, that is the spring, the summer, autumn and the winter. Now a tree in spring does not look the same as it looks in winter. It is not the same in summer, it is not the same in autumn. In every season the tree appears different. Now it is springtime and the tree is happy and bursting with life. Now it is about to start a new cycle of life. It starts blooming, new flowers, leaves, fruits, everything start bursting out. Now, spring. The tree hums quietly to itself a lullaby to the buds. Lullaby means lori, जिसे आप बोलते हैं, singing song to the babies. To the buds. Buds are the babies. Bursting with baby leaves, its branches ride the winds. And in all its new green glory, the tree begins to sing. Now the poet is saying that the tree is blooming its green glory and it is singing a softly lullaby to its buds and to the new leaves which are bursting out. Now its branches are shaking with the wind, with the breeze. Okay, summer. The tree stretches in the sun. It knows the birds that fly, the bees that run, climb and jump. From its heavy loaded branches, it yawns means ubasi lena, and digs its roots deep into the still center of the spinning earth. Now, the poet is saying that in the summer season, the tree stretches itself out, its branches stretches itself out, and it is aware of the birds, the animals which are jumping around it, on it or around it, that is the squirrel, the birds, okay, the parrot, the mena, all the birds, all the creatures. It knows them, okay, and it is heavily loaded with fruits, leaves, everything. And the roots are going deep into the center of the earth, into the center of the spinning earth, which is still. Okay, although the earth is spinning, you have studied in your SST that the earth is spinning, but still we find it still. Still means ek position pe rehna. So its roots are deep in the ground. Autumn. The tree shivered. Shivers means kapna, hilna kaapte hue. In the stirring day, the leaves turn gold. Turn gold का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सोने की हो जाती है. When it dries up, it becomes yellowish. So that is what it is saying, turns gold. The clouds pass, the seeds fall, the tree drops its coin of gold, and the days are rich with the spending of leaves. Now the poet is saying that in the autumn season, when the leaves dry up, they appear to be gold. The tree starts shaking, starts shivering, and the gold leaves start falling down. And the earth, the day, is very rich with those gold leaves. Okay, it is dropping those gold leaves, and the earth, the day, is very rich with those gold leaves. Now winter. All branches ache. Ache means दर्द होना, क्योंकि वो branches अब old हो गई हैं, तो वो सब अब उनके दर्द हो रही है. Tree stands naked in the storms. Naked means अब उस पर कोई भी पत्तियां नहीं है. Deep frozen, bleak and bare. Deep underground life lies sleeping. The tree sleeps and waits for the returning sun to wake him from the woody dreams. Now the tree is naked, it has no leaves on it, and its roots, although from up it is dried up, but its roots are still live down under the earth. and it is waiting when the bright sun will come, when again it will start blooming and again life will return around it. So this is what the tree appears and how the tree feels. That is what the poet is expressing. Now with this we have finished all the chapters of your literature and course book. I am going to send you the question answers in the PDF format. Do the question answers in the copy. And after this we will begin our classes with grammar.